Now, let's make one thing clear. Next.js is not React. It's React with a bunch of cool things wrapped around it, which makes it insanely useful. But we need to understand why we're using these things, because if we just ship it just because it's there, now we're simply overloading our app and we're actually making it worse. So, starting with React, this is a library for building dynamic interfaces. Now, a lot of the code that you're writing within Next.js when it comes to those UI components, that is React. Now, React is very minimalist, it's lightweight, and it doesn't really care about what you do with your application. There are really no set rules. So when it comes to page routing, data fetching, React leaves it up to you to choose external libraries to integrate into your application. Now, this is great because you have a lot of flexibility, but it also means that you need to understand what to use and when you want to use it. Now, the beauty of all this is that you pick and choose, and you're not bloating your application with a bunch of extra stuff. Next.js, on the other hand, is a full stack framework built on top of React. So think of it like React, but all beefed up with a bunch of extra features. And if we have these features, we might as well use them and understand when and why we're using them. What I'm seeing developers do is they'll spin up a Next.js application, then they'll make all their components be client components. So they're basically creating a single page application. And then if they have a server, they'll spin up some kind of Express server, Go, Python server, and they'll create an API there and call those endpoints. Now, this isn't necessarily wrong, but they're not taking advantage of any of these Next.js features.